Love invitation don't turn to by sentencing. Nobody knows say the love invitation where they give this girl go be the last one where she receive for her life. Wetin happen be say this girl wey they call Ogechukwu Madubuugo was invited by this fiancé wey they call Valentine Chibike Anepe. And wetin happen be say this Valentine now pretend say he dey sick and say he go need help because he no fit move, say he dey very very sick. This girl now based on say na him fiancé, the love of her life, come go buy medication, come run to come assist him fiancé based on say na a person wey in love and a person wey in go marry, without knowing say this guy wey dey here so get another intention. On arriving to this guy wey they call Valentine house, according to the report, they say it was around 9 p.m. So this guy now come pretend say the condition don't worst more. Say therefore, make this girl sleep over so that he go assist him during the night. So based on as a kind girl and person wey dey in love, she can do one very good thing wey she do. We make we all now they break this news now. They can't call him mama, can't call him people. Can't tell them say this fiancé wey they call Valentine don't ask him to sleep over because the condition dey worse and he go need help during the night. So she won't sleep over. Then can take permission from him parents. Now they say no problem, since it's your husband to be, make she sleep over. Now she can't sleep over. When they come break now, they call this Ogechukwu. A number they switch off. They call everything, try to reach her. Nothing, everything was silent. So they can't call this guy Valentine. Valentine come dey claim say Ogechukwu no come in house, say he never see Ogechukwu. Now wetin make the family come panic, come rush immediately, come go force their way in to this guy house. They not just waste time, and they force their way into this guy house. As they bust in this guy door, enter inside, lo and behold, wetin they see go shock many of una. Now this girl body they see for ground, where they don't use knife, dagger everywhere, red water full everywhere. They say they even use sharp object, cut many places, like say they cut animal meat. Things they really happen. No? First way they break this news now this girl cousin, where they call Angela Madubuugo Ike. Now this girl now they break this news come out now. According to this girl, she they thought say first way see this guy now where they call Valentine Chibike Anepe make a report to nearby police, because if they keep silent, now they say this guy go succeed with them. I hope say they don't go report this matter for police, because now police work to do this kind of thing, to do more investigation and to catch these people. We the public will still help to catch you now. But my people, things they happen. If you they travel or you they go somewhere, try and make you they call your loved ones, so they give them information where you they go. Now I'll tell you, Lord Joe, it no cost anything to call your loved one, see where they will, see what I want to do. Because if you say that girl no make this call, nobody would have suspected. Say now this in fiancé, now in do and they stay. And say see the actual place where they feel find and go, where they find and go see what happen to her. This in fiancé now would have covered everything up. We be say the investigation now go hard for them to realize what really happened to her. But thank God say she did a wise thing. We make say today we don't know what happened to her. This will happen on the 8th of December 2025, while the next day will be on the 9th. Now they go discover this girl body. My people, one that shall never cease to end. We could be very careful. We could pray to God, and we could always alert our loved ones. If we go some certain places, we could still alert our loved ones, say see where we they go. And if we see things where we say if they go, we know they go well. We could alert police, so because now their work to safeguard us. Thank you. Share this video and follow for more.